Hpr foam is a medication used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations such as diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. Emollients are substances that soften and moisturize the skin and decrease itching and flaking. Some products are used mostly to protect the skin against irritation from wetness. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin. Emollients/moisturizers work by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. Petrolatum, lanolin, mineral oil, and dimethicone are common emollients. Humectants, including glycerin, lecithin, and propylene glycol, draw water into the outer layer of the skin. Many products also have ingredients that soften the outer layer of skin cells and help the skin keep in more water, leaving the skin feeling smoother and softer. It is recommended to use Hpr foam according to your healthcare professional's instructions and apply it at the optimal time for best results. Make sure to use this product as directed, and some products may need to be primed before use. Always follow the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, it's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Some products may need to be shaken before use, so be sure to check the label. Apply the foam to the affected areas of the skin as needed or as directed on the label or by your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on the product and your skin condition. For dry hands, you may need to use the product every time you wash your hands, applying it throughout the day. For diaper rash, make sure to clean the diaper area well before using the product. If you are using the foam to help treat radiation skin burns, check with radiation personnel to see if your brand can be applied before radiation therapy. It's important to follow all the directions on the label for proper use and to only apply to the skin. Avoid sensitive areas such as your eyes, inside your mouth/nose, and the vaginal/groin area, unless directed otherwise. Make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Using this medication regularly will help you get the most benefit from it. Apply the foam after bathing or showering while the skin is still damp. For very dry skin, your doctor may instruct you to soak the area before using the product. Be aware that long, hot, or frequent bathing/washing can worsen dry skin. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, it's important to seek medical help right away. If you use Hpr foam, you may experience some burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. If these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist. However, most people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Contact your doctor immediately if you notice any unusual changes in your skin or signs of skin infection. Although very rare, seek medical help right away if you experience symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have judged that the benefits outweigh the risks. If you have any concerns about the side effects, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor or pharmacist. Before using Hpr foam, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to the ingredients in the product, or if you have any skin cuts, infections, or sores. Some ingredients in the foam may make you more sensitive to the sun, so be sure to check the label for any warnings and take any special precautions when in the sun. If you have acne-prone skin, look for the word non-comedogenic on the label to avoid worsening breakouts. Before surgery, be sure to inform your doctor about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product. When using Hpr foam, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Always keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. This will ensure the safe and effective use of Hpr foam in your daily routine. If Hpr foam is swallowed, it can be harmful and may cause serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing. In case of an overdose, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. U.S. residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canada residents can call a provincial poison control center. To help prevent dry skin, consider using lukewarm water when bathing, taking baths or showers less frequently, like every 1 to 2 days, keeping baths or showers short, and using a humidifier when the air is very dry. There are various emollient products available, including oils, creams, lotions, or sprays. Some may contain fragrance or other ingredients that could cause sensitivity in some individuals. It's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to determine which product may be best for you. If you forget to use Hpr Foam as scheduled, use it as soon as you remember. Don't use extra product or use it more frequently to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep this medication away from children and pets. Do not store the foam canister near high heat or an open flame due to its pressurized contents. It's important not to puncture or burn the canister. When it comes to disposing of this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard it when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.